Hello crafty people, it's marcraftsy here with another setup video for the October Daisy planner kit. And as you can see, I am beginning with the cover of my Daisy Dory, and this month I thought to change my cover too, but I didn't really feel the papers for this month, so I decided, because I have picked up some very cute washi tapes from my local store, I decided to turn it into washi dashboard, and it came out pretty well. I liked it very much. So, as I have said, the papers, I don't really like them this month because they seem to be repeating, and of course they are repeating because we get double from each patterns, but still they just the same. They seem to be the same to me, same color, same patterns over and over again. So no, they don't really are my jam, to say at least. I love stripes, so I love this paper, and I will use these two stripes as a kind of a frame or enclosure for the washi tapes, because I could have left it just as they were, but it felt so undone, I guess. Like you do a picture or you drew something and you just leave it halfway through. So yeah, I am using that strip of paper to frame kind of my Daisy Dory, and I think it will turn out good. I pretty much love it still. So yes, that's what I am doing. And I know I have left out the September. I was very busy. I have a half done and half filmed setup video. I might post that, and I will see, because I'm really not sure. I have changed my cover in that one, but that theme wasn't mine also, just like this one, because when I unpacked or unboxed my Daisy for October, all I was seeing were pumpkins. And I love pumpkins, don't get me wrong, but it was like exclusively pumpkins and nothing other. I didn't counted the die cuts for the planner kit, but all over the place there are only pumpkins. There is not really, in my opinion, there isn't really much what you can do with that many pumpkins. So I was struggling really, and as you can see, I am grabbing for inspiration, like for literally, and then it just came to me that I have the classified kit, planner kit, and this is from September, that stamp set. I pulled it out, also September things, and those puffy alpha stickers are from the August memory keeping pocket kit. So I have had to pull out quite a bit of things from past kits to make it work for me, because well, you can do pumpkins for one time, but after a bit it just gets boring. I mean, yeah, for me. Anyway, I loved those gold foiled phrases we got. I guess they were in the planner kit, main planner kit, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, here is something I just got an idea, and I am playing around with those pumpkins and the little Simon as a gourd, and I will stock them down just as they are because I really like them, and I think in the end it will turn out pretty good, as I have said it like. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes. Sometimes I get so much into crafting that I really don't mind my space and where I am and what am I doing. So I just literally head-butted the camera. Yeah. It was funny for me. Oh well. So my cover is almost finished, and there is a Hello October sticker from we always get those tab stickers, and I struggle to use them because I don't use tabs in my planner. Well, at least not the Cocoa Daisy ones, because they are just huge for the personal size and I don't like them. So I am trying to use them as a kind of decoration. Yes, that's my head. I'm sorry. And that's it. The cover is done. Yay! Now for the inside. I have washi taped out the first week because the first week I was gone. We had a quick vacation in Germany, and now what I am doing is a I don't know how do you say it in English. I'm sorry. So this will be my chart, I guess, for my October 30-day app challenge. Oh yes, I'm doing it. And how? Because I don't really want to lose weight, but it's nice to have toned, or at least some abdominal muscles. So, and it helps actually yeah, it's not Cocoa Daisy related, I'm sure, and I'm sorry, but just on a side note, if you have not toned but good abdominal muscles, you can get rid of back pain. Just on a side note, because I am a healthcare worker, so I I know pretty much everything about back pain. So anyway, I'm doing this to see if it's actually doable for for any kind of person, because it's if it's doable, then I can say, okay, let's do this, try this. So back to the planner session. This will be my November monthly calendar because I have a lot of things coming up in November, and I need to pre-plan those, and I need to mark them so I will have them at the ready when November rolls in. And that's another I'm sorry. So that was another try to dig out my love for lettering. I'm still digging. I don't think it's my thing. I love my handwriting and it's good that way as it is. So I still have those extra stickers we got in August, and I still haven't done a lot of things with them, but I still don't use them. Didn't use them. And for this month I will be doing something new, or two new things. And first of all, I will do a goal section, and I want to have 3 goals planned out for the month of October. And on the other side, where I place that arrow that says start today, I will have my fall bucket list. Oh, did I use that one? Oh. What did I use? Summer is overrated, maybe? That's what the sticker says? I don't know. Oh, maybe. Oh well. So that will be my fall bucket list. And the other side will be my goal section. And I hope to do them very much because I am so bad at committing to goals, and I leave out space so I can plan, like for real, step by step out how to achieve those goals. And I am writing in the list of things I want to do this fall, and I'm sorry for my lighting. As you can see, I use the sun, which is because it's fall already. It has another way of lighting, so I will need to figure out the hours I can film my videos, so it won't get in the way. Excuse me. Well, it's already the time when you are very much in love with tea, I guess. Hot tea, for sure. I am. What kind of person you are? Milk tea or tea with tea just in itself, or tea with some kind of citrus like orange or citronen? Because I am a milk tea person, even though I'm not British, and I think that's clear to hear. I love milk tea. A good black tea with milk. That's nice. That's my hot cocoa. So I decided to color like a kind of in a kind of ombre effect the letters of the 30-day X challenge. I don't think you will see, but the upper part is a brown, the middle part is an orange, and down it's yellow. And I think that will be it for my Daisy Dory, and in the next part you will see how I do my pocket folder. So thank you for sticking with me. See you next time. Bye.